Welcome to our video on the 10 benefits of yoga. Yoga is an ancient practice that has gained immense popularity in recent years. Its benefits are not limited to physical health but extend to mental and emotional well-being as well. Let's start with the physical benefits of yoga. Flexibility. Yoga asana, or postures, involve stretching and lengthening of muscles, which helps to improve flexibility and range of motion. Strength. Many yoga asana involve holding the body in a static position, which helps to build strength and muscle tone. Balance. Balancing poses in yoga help to improve balance and stability. Cardiovascular health. Some yoga practices involve a fast-paced sequence of asana, which can be an excellent cardiovascular workout. Now let's talk about the mental and emotional benefits of yoga. Stress reduction. Yoga involves deep breathing and relaxation techniques that help to reduce stress and anxiety. Improved focus. The practice of yoga can help to improve concentration and focus. Better sleep. Yoga can help to improve the quality of sleep and reduce insomnia. Emotional balance. The mindfulness practice in yoga helps to cultivate a sense of emotional balance and stability. Let's look at some other benefits of yoga. Community. Yoga classes can be a great way to meet new people and build a sense of community. Self-awareness. Yoga is a practice that encourages self-awareness and self-reflection, which can lead to personal growth and transformation. These are just some of the many benefits of yoga. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced practitioner, the practice of yoga can help to improve your overall well-being. Thanks for watching.